Hey, welcome back to Hillbilly Hippie Honeybees. This is Clint Baker again, and I want to answer a question that a friend of mine asked me at work today. And if you will stick around, I'll answer that question and give you a few hints on what you should be doing right now during this time of the year. So, what's going on? Well, it went from frigid cold to, well, it's in the 50s, mid 50s here today in West Virginia. So stick around, listen up, and learn a little bit. Teach us something too. Leave a comment below. So I got a question at work today from a newer beekeeper, and he was like, the bees are out flying. And the reason why he was so concerned about it was we have had sub-zero temperatures here in West Virginia for the past few weeks. A lot of snow. You guys have probably seen a lot of the storms that have come down through our region down into shared a video from Colonial Williamsburg and all that. And so he was concerned that they were out flying today. And why are they doing that? Well, one, they're doing defecation flights. So they're out cleansing their bowels, and they're out here, cleaning out the dead that have been in their hives that have died off during this cold, stretching their wings. So they're just getting out, and this is a good time for you to come out and kind of see where there's the activity at and where is it not, right? For example, I'll show you here. We've got all these are active, and over here there's not a lot of activity right there. There is some coming in and out, and that doesn't mean they're dead or there's a dead out or anything, but that just means that they may still be clustered up real tight in there. Also, if you look here, one of the things I talked about was they're cleaning out the dead. So you can see there's a lot of dead bees in front of the hive, and they're pulling them out right now. You see right there's a handful of them that just pulled out. So they try to get that all cleaned out right now during the warmer days. It is up in the mid 50s. And so as you can see again, looks to me like all of them are pretty active. Now this one right here is not a colony or a hive. That's just a swarm trap that we leave set up just in case one would swarm before we get to it or we miss something. But yeah, what they're doing right now is they're doing defecation flights. So they're cleansing their bowels. They're getting out. They're getting water from from different areas to rehydrate things or what have you. If they can find anything, like we've seen them this time of the year out getting pollen out of chicken feed barrels and things of that nature. So they're pretty inventive on where they can find things and resourceful, so I guess I should say. So that's that. Something's knocked my water off there. We leave that up there for them for water. But so that's what they're doing. There's nothing bad going on. They're just out here doing their thing, and it looks to me like these are doing pretty good. So Angus says they are. He gives them a thumbs up. But so don't worry about it this time of the year. Now, you do want to maybe go around and check the weights. Grab the back end of your box of your colony there, and make sure that it's heavy. Make sure that they have enough food in there. If not, these are times where you can throw the candy boards on. You don't want to be in there for very long, just long enough to be able to get the excess feed on there, or good feed on there. This is also a good time to maybe do some oxalic acid treatments. So if you would like to do some oxalic acid treatments, right now would be a good time to do it. Vaporization would be the best way, in my opinion. So get out in your bee yard today and see. That's my thinking chair. And see what's going on. This is just one of them. I'm sure that we will get a video here soon from out at Junior Bailey's yard, and because he likes going out there and singing with them. but that is what they're doing today. So don't be worried about it. Just get out there and use this opportunity to feel the weights of them and to just see if they are out and about. This is good. This is natural. This is what they should be doing. So, all right. Well, God bless y'all. And I hope if I don't get to talk to you before then, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We've just been taking a little bit of time to kind of relax and enjoy family. So I hope you're doing the same thing. So, all right. God bless y'all.